down to the switch, you can do that because you can, no, I don't want to say that crap. It goes up to the lights and the line is done. A lot of, wow, what a hack. Thou shalt not place receptacle within 3 feet of 2 adjacent doorways in the month of October. That's how the code book reads, by the way, in case you didn't know. I'm just blabbering. Why am I blabbering so much? Pretty ugly. Nailed it. Insulation. 14-2, where are you? Got some wire to run now. On the lights, if you want to do the fancy, that's stupid. And there's all kinds of fancy terms like line and load. I just can't get this. Ow! Ow! Ow. Ah. Ah. Ow. Ah. Ah. Hi. You filming? I hope so. No! Getting these angles ain't easy, bro. Don't look at my butt. And tie the grounds together and go up. You, try it again. Try it again. Really my thing. F***ing A. And then on the other side, that doesn't make sense to me. I know these ones that grab. Don't look at my butt. Hello? Oh, come on. You kidding me? Serious? Screw stripped. This is bullshit. I'm trying to be a real electrician, using linesman's as a hammer. I just can't do it. Just don't have that technique down. And I like to use a nice 1/2 inch, and then you need to drill the holes. And I use, so you find out where your wire's going through. Leave this corner, I'm gonna have to screw it about right here, but that'll be right now. Right now. So stupid. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Dumb. It's my living room, my dining room, my kitchen, and the bedrooms. This is the last room. Don't say that, it's sad.